Don't worry, my friend. We'll get through this together. Things will be okay.
Okay, thank you.
Isn't this place just magical? Oh,
It's everything we needed.
I feel so much peace here. Oh my goodness! Look at that! I told you it would be amazing! Look at this! Wow! This is amazing!
Ah, let's jump in! Cannonball!
Thank you, my friend.
Be safe, little one.
Thrive! It's working! I can't believe it! The river is back! Look, he's here! We love you!
A true hero!
Hip hip hooray!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my friend.